Right now, international markets are in a holding pattern as we await the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision on when and how to begin tapering. And also for specifics and individual stocks, we turn to Laura Board in the Deal's London studios with more. Laura.
Morning, John. Yes, we've had a second day of positive Eurozone economic data, but that's not been enough to calm investors worried about what on earth is going to happen at the Fed meeting today and tomorrow. From Germany, the Economic Institute ZEW has released very strong figures which measure analysts and investors' gauge of what will happen to the economy in 6 months' time. The index rose way above forecasts in December and is at a near 8-year high. So that really speaks well for the outlook for Germany. In London, insurer RSA has regrouped and has stabilised somewhat after Standard & Poor's yesterday downgraded its credit rating. All eyes are on corporate transactions emanating from the group. It's issued 3 profit warnings in 6 weeks, and on Friday it said it would instigate a root and branch review that could lead to disposals of large businesses. It has operations in 33 countries with big concerns in Canada and Scandinavia. It could even lead to a takeover of the whole group. Finally, over in Australia, the cheese wars seems to be entering its final battle. Canada's Saputo has lifted its bid for Australia's Warrnambool cheese to about 480 million. Investors will only get that price if 90% of them tender. That looks fairly unlikely, seeing as 2 rival bidders together hold a 35% stake. But given that Saputo already has Foreign Investment Board approval in the bag, there are no competition issues surrounding its bid, it really looks to be the front runner in this long-running war that has seen the target's price more than double since Bega Cheese kicked off the whole thing back in September. Back to you, John.
We all want to see the cheese war end well. Thank you for weighing in this morning, Laura. That was Laura Board for The Deal in London.